I'm pretty sure you have mistakenly declined a post on Facebook if you are an admin on Facebook. It has happened to everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to revert a post you have declined. And I'm going to use this post as an example. If you want to revert a post you have declined on Facebook as an admin, this is what you have to do. Now let me click on decline. And let's say, for example, you declined it by a mistake. To get it back, you have to go back and click on activity log. And here, you're going to see the post which you declined last, which is this one at the top. Simply click on undo. It will ask you restore declined post. Click on undo. And now you have to go back. Click on pending post. And you will see that post you just declined. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helps you. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.